Hey, savvy savers, intrigued by the idea of earning money online from the comfort of your own room? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of online side hustles, specifically designed for teens like you. First on the list, online surveys. Did you know companies are willing to pay for your opinions? That's right. You can sign up on platforms like Swagbucks or Taluna, choose your preferred topics, and start making easy online income. Next, let your creativity shine by selling your digital art. Platforms like Etsy or Redbubble are great places for young artists to showcase their work. Just create your art, upload it, set your price, and watch the money roll in. Are you a fan of fashion tech or anything in between? Then affiliate marketing might be your calling. Simply promote your favorite products on your social media platforms and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. And lastly, why not start a YouTube channel? Whether you're into gaming, makeup, music, or vlogging, YouTube is a fantastic platform to share your passions and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and super chats. So there you have it, 4 fun and quick ways for teens to make money online. From taking online surveys and selling digital art to affiliate marketing and starting a YouTube channel, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key is to find something you enjoy. Be consistent and patient, as success won't come overnight. So why wait? Turn your free time into cash and start earning today. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Keep saving, and until next time, stay savvy.